I don't think clients want a simple transaction anymore. They want that real relationship. And I think Innovate is the best when it comes to listening to what our clients need. We provide them with consistent service and solutions and give them support for some of those tougher decisions that they've had to make this year. And I'm sure they're going to have to make going into next year. I could probably compare it to a marriage, right? For better or worse, in sickness and in health. You want to find a partner that kind of has your back, that's in it with you. It's something we all look for in life. And I think it's something that we can also find in business. So you need something that's reliable, consistent, communicative, honest.
A true ride or die, basically.
Yeah, ride or die, of course. Yeah.